Hi. Today, I will be teaching you 7 ways to incorporate meditation into your everyday life. Meditation is one of the most beneficial practices on the planet. It fosters a deep sense of self-awareness that can not only improve your life immensely, but can also help you live in a way that improves the world around you. Without a further ado, we will begin to learn the 7 ways to incorporate meditation into your everyday life now. Number 1. Try to meditate at the same time every day. Scheduling your meditation practice for the same time each day will help it become part of your everyday routine. If you meditate daily, you'll experience its benefits more profoundly. Early morning is a good time to meditate since your mind has not yet become consumed with the stresses and worries of the day. It is not a good idea to meditate directly after eating. If you're digesting a meal, you may feel uncomfortable and less able to concentrate. Number 2. Take a guided meditation class to hone your techniques. If you want additional guidance, consider taking a meditation class with an experienced teacher. You can find a range of different class types by searching online. Local gyms, spas, schools, and dedicated meditation centers offer classes in many locations. You can also find a wide range of guided meditations and instructional videos on YouTube. For a more immersive experience, look into attending a spiritual retreat where you will spend several days or weeks in intensive meditation. Vibrational meditation offers free 10-day retreats at centers throughout the world. You can also try different meditation apps that help you get started. The Insight Timer app has free guided meditations and lets you choose both the amount of time you have and the level of guidance you'd like. Number 3. Read spiritual books to learn more about meditation. Though not for everyone, some people find that reading spiritual books and sacred writings helps them understand meditation and inspires them to strive for inner peace and spiritual understanding. Some good books to start with include A Profound Mind, Cultivating Wisdom in Everyday Life by the Dalai Lama, The Nature of Personal Reality by Jane Roberts, A New Earth by Eckhart Tolle, and 1 Minute Mindfulness by Donald Altman. If you wish, you can pick out elements of wisdom that resonate with you from any spiritual or sacred text and reflect on them during your next meditation session. Number 4. Practice mindfulness in your everyday life. Meditation doesn't have to be limited to your practice sessions. You can also practice mindfulness throughout your day-to-day life. Simply work on being aware of what is happening both inside and around you at any given moment throughout the day. For example, in moments of stress, try to take a few seconds to focus solely on your breathing and empty your mind of any negative thoughts or emotions. You can also practice mindfulness when you eat by becoming aware of the food and all the sensations you experience as you eat. No matter what actions you perform in your daily life, whether it's sitting at a computer or sweeping the floor, try to become more aware of your body's movements and how you feel in the present moment. This focus and awareness is living mindfully. Number 5. Try grounding exercises to help you be more present. Grounding is a technique to help you practice mindfulness in everyday life. All you need to do is focus directly on something in your surroundings or a specific sensation in your body. For example, you might focus on the blue color of a pen or folder on a table near you, or examine more closely the feeling of your feet on the floor or your hands resting on the arms of your chair. Try doing this if you feel like you're distracted or you find your mind is wandering, or if you are feeling stressed. You can also try focusing on multiple sensations at once. For example, pick up a keyring and pay attention to the sounds the keys make, the way they feel in your hand, and even their metallic smell. Number 6. Maintain a healthy lifestyle in addition to meditating. While meditation can improve your overall health and well-being, it works best if you combine it with other healthy lifestyle practices. Try to eat healthily, exercise, and get enough sleep. Avoid watching too much television, drinking alcohol, or smoking before meditation. These activities are unhealthy, and they can numb the mind, preventing you from achieving the level of concentration necessary for successful meditation. Number 7. View meditation as a journey rather than a goal. Meditation is not a goal that you can complete, like trying to get a promotion at work. Viewing meditation just as a tool to achieve a certain goal, Even if your goal is to be enlightened, would be like saying the goal of a stroll on a beautiful day is to walk a mile. Focus instead on the process and experience of meditation itself, and don't bring the desires and attachments that distract you in day-to-day life into your meditation practice. When beginning, you shouldn't be too concerned with the quality of the meditation itself. As long as you feel calmer, happier, and more at peace at the end of your practice, your meditation was successful. We have reached the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe and like button before you go. Goodbye and have a nice day.